90 degrees. Straight into a 90 degrees nose down with a 180 degree turn to the right at 2G. Today's aircraft weighs approximately 7.5 tons, however despite its weight remains extremely manoeuvrable as demonstrated. The crew are now positioning to perform a pivot tail. This is a maximum performance manoeuvre and can be used to rapidly conduct a 180 back through the threat band. This is operating in hostile areas. The aircraft trains high for speed, and once at low level the aircraft appears much faster and can conceal itself amongst the terrain. The crew will now use a pedal turn in order to rapidly reposition the aircraft to set up for a 360 manoeuvre. Contains a powerful optical zoom camera as well as 2 thermal imaging cameras. Not just for targeting, when night flying, both crew members can view the thermal image through their helmet mounted display, also known as a monocle. This monocle sits in front of the pilot's right eye, showing all the flying information. The aircraft constantly tracks where each pilot's looking, moving the cameras and weapon systems to match. And overall, the weapon systems at their disposal is the Hellfire anti-surface missile, capable of defeating targets up to 10 kilometers away. The American crew member looks at the cannon ports, allowing them to engage targets to the flanks and below without even changing track or touching the flying controls. All UK Apaches are operated by the British Army. An application for pilot training is open to all Army personnel. This means that many of the This highly energy demonstrates the speed at which the Apache can split